Miss Wobbles is having a great day. Why, you may ask? Because she's reading a book. Yes. Now, Miss Wobbles, tell us, what is your favorite part of this book? Do you have a favorite part, dear Hiccuper? Or are you just happy to be here? I'm glad you're so happy. All right, well, enjoy your book. I hear it's very fascinating. Oh, apparently not for you. Now, you need to sneeze, okay? Go ahead. Come on now. Today's the day. Or not. You hear that?
Did she toot?
She tooted.
Oh, she's mad. Oh.
She's like, wasn't that a funny joke? Alright, Chris. Now is the time for sneezing. 1, 2, 3, sneeze. Oh my gosh. Well, I would prefer a sneeze, if that's all you got. Oh. Come on, achoo, achoo, achoo.
No, a poo, a poo.
Oh, great. No, you need to sneeze. Not just yawn. Please? Oh, all the pressure's getting to her.
Getting upset she has a messy diaper.
Oh, honey. It's okay. Hi. Well. Okay.